In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom CSS in Webflow. By the end, you'll understand exactly where to place your custom CSS in Webflow, what each code area is for, and how a few key settings can influence how your code behaves. First, head to your project settings from your Webflow dashboard. Open the site you're working on and look for the Project Settings button. This is where you manage global features for your site, including custom code that applies across all pages. It's a good idea to have your CSS snippets ready in a plain text file so you can paste them cleanly and keep track of changes. Next, go to the Custom Code tab. You'll see two main fields, head code at the top and footer code below. Think of these as two different loading moments in the life of a page. The head loads first, the footer loads last. Underneath, you'll also notice some advanced settings that affect how Webflow and your code interact. Let's talk about the head code area. This is the correct place for styles that should be available as the page starts rendering. You can paste CSS inside a style tag or reference an external style sheet with a link tag. For example, a style block could define site-wide variables and utility classes that your pages rely on from the very paint. Keep performance and clarity in mind. Group-related rules comment your sections, and avoid overly broad selectors that might unexpectedly override Webflow-generated styles. If you do need to increase priority, reach for specificity first and use important sparingly. Now the footer code area. This runs at the end of the body after your page content has loaded. It's ideal for scripts that need access to elements already on the page or analytics that shouldn't block rendering. While you technically can place CSS here, it's not recommended. Styles may cause flashes of unstyled content if they arrive late. Keep CSS in the head and reserve the footer for JavaScript and tracking code. If a script depends on a library, make sure that library is included before your custom script runs. Finally, the advanced settings. These options control things like whether certain libraries are loaded for you and how assets are optimized. Changing them can affect timing, compatibility, and performance. For example, excluding a preloaded library might speed things up, but only if your code doesn't rely on it. Review each toggle carefully and document why you changed it so teammates understand the impact later. That's it. You've located the right place for custom CSS, learned when to use head versus footer, and seen how advanced settings shape behavior. Congratulations.